Hi, friends. Today is an awesome day. I came home to find a box of orchids from Carmela's Orchids. It was a Mother's Day gift from my favorite sister and favorite nieces. Mind you, they are my only sister and my only nieces, but still, they're my favorite, so that's a good thing. Want to share this with you? Come and see what I got. Full transparency, I opened most of them only to save some time here because they come so greatly packaged that it would take me forever to undo all of them. So this would be my first plant. Look how healthy. This plant is just amazing. Look how healthy this plant is. You can see it's a little bit dehydrated, but that's fine. They suffer when they travel. So let's see what we have here. Ooh, beautiful stem here. Okay. So it's in spike, and the tag did not fall off. They do such a good job packing this. They really do. I took some pictures before of the box so you can see it, but that's what it is. I'll do a follow-up video. I'll do a follow-up video so you can see exactly how, once they bloom, what they look like. But if you hear any whining, that's my doggy Leo, my supervisor in chief. Here's another one. This is the time that he goes outside. So I do apologize for that whining. This is the only time that I had to do this. But that's the name. Lavender. Ooh, nice. How healthy. How tall these plants are. So beautiful. If you know, you know, right? Whoops. Here's my third plant. Hey, Leo. Want to look at my plants? Ooh, it has a kiki and everything. Ooh, so nice. These are all buds. Beautiful. I wonder if they're fragrant. This one's nice. Let's see. The Dendrobium. Oh, ooh, dream apple on. They're so pretty. Look at these canes. They're very nice. I love this KK. Dendrobium is the plant that keeps on giving. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm sorry, Leo. Hear him whining. I'm so sorry. This is also the time that Leo goes outside and play with his friends. He has more friends in the neighborhood than I probably do. Well, that I know I don't. Oh, oh, here's another one. Here's another Oncidium. Ooh, I don't have this one. I don't have this one. Oof, can't wait to see them. Again, look how beautiful this plant. Look at the color. Wow. This is really nice. I appreciate you girls giving this to me for Mother's Day. It's like Christmas though. It's not just Mother's Day. It feels like Christmas. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look what's coming up next. They do such a nice job in packaging. Look at this. Look at the leaves. Wow. Wow. Can't wait for this to open. Ooh. Well, I really don't want to mess with this plant because it is beautiful. And I already, unfortunately, did not have much success with my first slipper orchid. So we are going to treat this one like the queen that she is. And we're going to make sure that she has a better chance than the other one did getting another plant there. So that is a very, very healthy plant. What a beautiful, beautiful leaf. I love getting plants from Carmela's Orchids. They are so healthy, all of them. Ooh, what is this? Oh, yes. Okay, this one, it's a little messy. I do apologize. But this is very fragrant. This is beautiful. So, truth be told, I bought a coconut orchid because it was on my wish list, and it is the red one. But it didn't bloom for me yet. I'm very, very happy to see one of these in this collection. I am very, very happy about this. I'm going to give them all water. I'm going to give them a welcome cocktail also. I try to do that um, to make sure that they're happy. They actually they are very stressed when they come. They come all the way from Hawaii. I am in South Florida, and this is the start of our rainy season. So there's a lot of stuff in the garden, as you know. If you, wow, wow, this is beautiful. If you know, Florida's only the sunshine state from like November through March. The rest of the time is raining. I don't care who tells you otherwise. This is so nice. Look at the canes, how plump. And what a beautiful color. I don't have this color, so I am very, very happy about that. Let's see. They do such a good job. Again, here we go. That's what that's called. Let me see if I can focus. All right, you get the gist of it. All right, guys, let's see what else. What else is in here? Ooh, this is huge. This is huge. Let me put it over here so I can unveil her. Wow, she's beautiful. Well, hello. Welcome to my garden. Yes, yes, queen. Ooh, this is so nice. Let's see. Wow, look at this. Come on, guys. Look at, oof, fantastic, fantastic. Beautiful. Like Christmas. That's her name. That's her name. Let's see. Let me put this on this side. I promise I will give you a full view in a minute. Let's see how many. Ooh, here's another one. Oh, wow. Oh, this is a big mama. Let's see what she's all about. Wow, she's in spike. All of these are in spike. I know my nieces love me, and I know my sister loves me because these are just beautiful. Let's see. Oh, so appropriately named eye candy. Here we go. Definitely eye candy. Beautiful. Guys, there's not even one little speck on these leaves. Okay, well, maybe, no, that's not even, that's just a shadow. Fantastic, fantastic. How beautiful. These are so healthy. Yep. Last but not least, let's see what this is. What this is. This is the smallest one. Let's see what this is like. Oh, how cute. It's a Vanda. It's a Vanda. How beautiful. It's tiny. I can't get it to focus because they're so small. But if you see my nail, look how big or small. Look, my nail is so big compared to this beautiful, dainty little flower. I love it. I love it. I love the color. Again, another healthy plant. So let's see what we got here. I do apologize if my face is in the way here. Wow, look at how gorgeous all of these are. The variety is just amazing. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I love it. So beautiful. Let's put this one here so you can see her really nicely. Poor Leo. I'm going to take him out in a minute. So Leo is a multi-poo, and he is a great companion. And he wants to go out. That is, he never goes hungry, and he never goes without visiting with his friends. Because that little whine that you hear, whew, oh, look, this was a second spike. Wow, look at that. A second spike. Very nice. That little whine of his. Poor Leo. I'm going to take him out. Take him out in a minute, baby. So, this is the last little bit. I'm going to show you. Here we go. These are all the plants. Fantastic. So beautiful and healthy. Just look how tall they are. I mean, they're just such healthy plants. I can't get over it. I love them. Thank you again to my niece and my nieces. Sorry. And my sister who listened to all the times I hinted, I need a box. I need a box. So here we go. Thank you so much for sharing this time with me. And I will keep you updated. Ooh, look at that. I will keep you updated as to the progress of these beauties. Again, thank you so much. I hope you have an excellent day.